How to add a logo watermark in PowerPoint on all slides. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to add a logo watermark in PowerPoint on all the slides, follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open the PowerPoint on your laptop or PC. Now open the presentation where you want to add a logo. Once you have opened it, you want to click on the View option. Then from this panel, select Slide Master. Now you want to scroll up and select the first slide. From here, click on the Insert option. Now from Shapes, you want to select whichever shape you want. I'm going to select Rectangle. Now press on Shift and create a shape of your desire. Now you want to click on Fill Shape, then select Picture from here. Now select Browse. From your file, you can select whichever logo you want and click on the Insert option. Your logo has now been added. Now click on the Shape Outline and select No Outline. Once that is done, you want to select this option of Shape Format. Now click on this icon and select Fill. Here you will find the option of Transparency. You want to drag the slider until it is 80%. Now you can make other changes if you want. Once you're happy with the result, you want to click on the Close Master View option. Click on the New Slide option and you will find that in every slide the logo has been added. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.